Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. Quick few updates related to service calendars on Funneltopia. In case you didn't know, there's a specific calendar type called service calendar for services like dog grooming, car detailing, whatever, right? And there are a few quick things I want to show you, just to improve the whole experience. Under calendars and then calendar settings, you have the calendars. So let's say, you either create a new one or I don't know. Let's go to this one, for example. Let's go edit it, hair glossing, for example. And the first couple of features are under availability. If you scroll down, the service interval, it used to be in the increments of 15, I think, if I remember correctly. Now you can just put in any number. I don't want 15, I want 16 minutes, right? So you can do that. And also the service duration has gone from the max was, I think, 6 hours. Now it's 12. So that's another. Let's try. We can do 60 hours. We can do 13. So let's do 12. Yeah, right. So previously it was 6 hours. Now it's 12. So that's the maximum. And as for the third thing, let's go under customizations. If we scroll down over here, now you can choose whether the person who books the appointment has the option to select who they want their appointment with. So you have the option to give them that option or not, right? So this is over here. That's the toggle switch. So those are a few small but good feature updates. Definitely go check them out. And just kind of nice and simple and gives you more flexibility. If you have any questions about calendars, anything else Funneltopia related, down here, the usual drill, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.